Hello guys, welcome to our channel Homoeopathic Trials. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel and also press the bell icon to get notified. Now, as a homeopathic student or as a practitioner, do you ever wonder how to study Materia Medica or which books to refer for Materia Medica or how to remember drugs or Materia Medica drugs very easily or how to avoid confusion in studying Materia Medica? Why do all the remedies in our Materia Medica appear same? And many other questions like this. Don't worry guys, today we are going to explain and discuss all these questions in detail. So without wasting much more time, let's get started. So now when we speak about the study of Materia Medica, we must always remember one thing in our mind, that study of Materia Medica is not something which can be done and mastered in few hours, days or years. It should continue throughout the journey of our homeopathic practice, and thus study of Materia Medica can be divided into two simple broad types, that is study of Materia Medica for students, that is from examination point of view, and study of Materia Medica for practitioners or from clinical point of view. In our today's video, we are going to speak about the study of Materia Medica from the examination point of view. However, if you guys want a video on how to study Materia Medica through clinical point of view, do tell us in the comment section below and we will definitely bring that video for you. So when we think about how to study Materia Medica from examination point of view, we should first understand which are the books which will help us to frame all the answers of all the questions asked in your exam. Here is the list of few books which will help you in framing the answers. So now, the first book is Textbook of Materia Medica by Dr. S.K. Dubey. This book is the most favorite of all the students and most of the students use this book for exams. This book is quite good and can help you to understand the drugs very well and can prove useful for writing long answer questions. Allen's Keynotes. This is the second important book and should be used to frame answers for short answer questions. The third book is Borix Materia Medica. This book can also be used for the same purpose which is served by Allen's Keynotes for writing 5-marker questions. The fourth important book is Kent's Lectures on Homeopathic Materia Medica. This book is quite useful for studying drug pictures or for studying 20-marker questions, especially for understanding the mind of any polycrest remedy, and thus it is the must-read book for every homeopathic student or a physician. The fifth and the last book is Patak's Materia Medica. This book offers a concise and a very up-to-the-point presentation of each remedy, and thus it is quite helpful for studying or framing short answer questions. The salient features and the utility of all these books, as discussed in this video, is only for exams. However, they have huge and immense importance in our clinical practice. Now that we have seen which books to refer for Materia Medica, we will now understand what exactly has to be remembered from each drug or each remedy. The answer to this is quite simple, and the answer is PQRS or characteristic symptoms of each remedy. Now, every remedy in our Materia Medica has those few individualizing symptoms for which they are known for, and these symptoms form the basis of our prescription too, and thus we have to remember only those symptoms or indications of that remedy. For example, aconite is a remedy which is known for its sudden storm-like action or sudden onset of symptoms, mental physical restlessness, fear of death so much that he predicts the time of his own death, etc. And these are the symptoms which we must remember. Study of Materia Medica for your exam is a very systematic and a stepwise process. So now we are going to discuss each step of studying Materia Medica in detail. The first step of studying Materia Medica for exams is to download the portion of Materia Medica of your exam from the official site of your university and also the paper pattern of your exam. The next step is to study the paper pattern and to plan out your studies. But wait, don't worry, we are definitely going to guide you further in this video, so please do watch this video till the end. In your exams, there are two types of questions, that is LAQ and SAQ. LAQs or long answer questions are asked for 20 or 10 marks, while short answer questions are asked for 5 or 2 marks. Now let's understand how to study LAQs or drug pictures of any polycrest remedy. While studying the drug pictures of any polycrest remedy, we must read it at least for 3 to 4 times to get it into our long-term memory. In the first reading, highlight the important PQRS, and individualizing indication of the drug you are reading. At the same time, you must also highlight some important but difficult English words which are difficult for you to understand. In the second reading, you have to do two things. First is to translate these important but difficult English words into your mother tongue using the dictionary. And the second thing is to create a link between the drug you are reading and any real life famous personality, cartoon character, or movie character, etc. This will help you to remember the drug very easily, as now you have to remember only that famous character and then the entire drug will stand in front of your eyes. Now, in the third reading, first close your book and try to recollect all the important points that you have studied and make your own notes. Now, what is the importance of making your own notes? A. It helps you to remember and recollect the drug, as it is scientifically proved that writing helps you to remember more efficiently. And B. It will help you to get writing practice for your exam. And in the end, start learning your own notes. So now let's understand how to remember the short answer questions or particular drug. For short answer questions, mostly the questions are asked which involve action of a drug on any particular organ or system. So now divide the list of all SAQs or short answer drugs on the basis of various spheres of action, that is GIT, skin, fever, respiratory system, constipation, mind, female reproductive system, male reproductive system, urinary organs, central nervous system, eyes, ears, etc. Now that you have a list of drugs acting on same sphere of action, and now you have to read all these drugs together. Make notes of short answer questions in form of charts where you have to write all these drugs side by side in the columns. The advantage of these charts are: A. You can compare all the drugs on the same short spheres of action and thus will reduce the confusion and will help you to differentiate these drugs based on the characteristic symptoms of each drug. And B. You get a moral support during the time of exam, as revising one chart means revising 6 to 7 remedies together, and this will reduce the burden on you during the time of exams. And now at the end, we will tell you some quick tips and tricks of studying Materia Medica efficiently with much more ease and fun. The first tip is to study in group of your friends. Divide the entire portion in your group of friends and then each one of you should study their own part sincerely and then discuss it within the group. This will help in getting better understanding and will also help to remember the drug very easily. The second tip is to create the revision charts. Take any remedy of your portion and write down at least 10 to 12 important keynotes of that remedy. In this way, you can create revision charts of your entire portion, which will help you to recollect the remedies faster. The third way is to study the remedies in groups. That is, study all the remedy of your portion that act on respiratory system together, or study the entire natrum group of remedies together. Keep the habit of studying at least one drug picture or 6 to 7 short answer questions every week. This will reduce your burden during the time of exams. Thank you for watching our entire video. We hope that this video can help you in studying Materia Medica in your exam. If you liked our video, please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and also follow us at our Instagram account to get more of our content. And also you can tell your valuable feedback in the comment section below.